Hello friends, today we will learn to convert this CFL circuit into 5-volt DC output SMPS. First of all, we have to do its secondary winding. We will use the copper wire of an old transformer. The wire will be wrapped 8 times on the primary winding of the transformer of this circuit. The number of wire wraps will represent your voltage. I have wrapped it here 8 times, so that will give me 5 to 6 volts. After the winding is completed, to run this circuit, add a capacitor on its transformer. Now we will put 1N4007 diode on one end of its secondary winding. With this, a capacitor will be connected with plus point diode and negative point secondary second end of the coil. Now we will connect a power cable to the power input after giving power to this circuit. We check its output with multimeter. Now let's connect the load on this circuit, which is a 3mm RGB LED. And again, check its output voltage. The circuit is now ready to use. Thanks for watching the video.